This is an amazing engine I built several years ago as a tribute to my wife on our anniversary. And I don't know what got into me, but I went berserk. I converted the old smoke into a fan, and which worked. I mean, it did work, but here you are cutting out, the old smoke. I don't know if I used this or not. I may have used a magnet. But the other thing I wanted to point to was this motor. That's not an American Flyer DC motor. That's an American Flyer AC motor that I converted to DC with magnets. I vaguely remember doing this. I wasn't sure. I thought I did it and tried and gave up, but apparently I didn't. Drawing 1.25 amps at 15 volts. And I can't stop it. I don't know what to say. I'm semi-flabbergasted. I kind of just forgot everything I did to this engine. Isn't that amazing? And I know it had synchronized smoke. This impeller would puff when the soundboard triggered, and I think that signal came right from the... I can't remember the wiring. The electronics have all been cannibalized and used elsewhere as part of my problem. So I know I'd have to add more stuff, but I think this should be on my update rebuild list. I think I need to semi-archive that smoke and replace it and put this back on the track. Hope you would agree. But there, my friends, oddly enough, hold on. Oddly enough is an AC armature converted to DC using those super magnets that I told you about. And not only does it work, it's strong. It's very strong. I'm amazed. Lunch in 5... Okay! I got it! I love my wife. Lunch in 5 minutes. All right, don't forget to wash your hands, change your glasses, and put on the right shoes, and bring your phone up. I have a checklist. Thought you'd like to see that.